Guys, it's indeed a pleasure to host our fifth virtual meetup. See, we never realized that when we did our first virtual meetup in March, that this COVID and this lockdown and all these things will continue so long. It's basically fifth meetup now, and it's been interesting journey so far. Um, Pleasure to have you all here. Um, Thanks a lot to all for being a part of this virtual meetup. This is our fifth one, as I said. And special thanks to all our speakers. A big round of applause for Sakti, Prabhu, Pallavi, and Sundar. Unfortunately, Pallavi is not well. We'll have three sessions today, all of them very wonderful. Sakti will start with agility in life. Prabhu is going to talk about a very important concept, which is visual test design to generate business relevant test scenarios. I was very intrigued when I had a discussion with him. Very cutting edge, and I am sure that when you hear him, you will be realizing that how this is one of the most important areas which probably needs little more introspection and little more learning. And thanks, Prabhu, for being with us. And Sundar is going to talk about an interesting one with his topic also being very interesting, why UI automation sucks and why unit testing rocks. With that, I'm smiling a little bit. I wish you guys can see me. But yeah, we are looking forward for this wonderful session. But before we go there, guys, let's do some announcements. By the way, can you hear me, guys? Am I audible?
Perfect.
Yes.
All right,
Yeah.
great. So number one, make sure that what you've already done, keep yourself on mute unless and until you want to speak, and then you can unmute and speak whenever you want. Ask questions after every session and during the session. If you can't wait, you have freedom to also ask. We request you to send in your comments in the chat, and we'll help collate and we'll make sure that we ask the speaker. This is our hashtag. Okay, like last time, if you are basically tweeting, use this hashtag, tag @Agility Alliance. And as always, the most number of tweets, we will basically give a free pass to ATA GTR 2020, the conference I'll talk about little shortly. Okay. So have you noted down basically the hashtag for the meetup and also the tag @Agility Alliance? Don't miss to tweet, guys. Okay. All right. So normally when I begin a little introduction that I'm giving things here, I do want to make it interactive. So I have few questions for you guys, and you can unmute and answer me. Okay. So my first question is this one: what is special about today? Anybody?
Am I allowed to answer because I have
No.
not seen this time?
Oh, Harsh, no. Other
National
than
Unity
Harsh,
Day.
it is what?
Valmiki Jayanti.
Yeah. What else?
Vishwa here. This is birthday of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India.
Yeah. Yeah. Anybody else?
Can I answer, Ramesh
Yeah.
here?
Yeah.
I'm breathing. I am alive. It's a beautiful sunny day outside.
And that is
Everything I'm doing right now is special right now.
absolutely every day, Ramit. I'm really excited to have you. And I was about to say, other than everything about special, and another special thing, Ramit, is all about our ATA virtual meetup fifth. That makes it even more special. And Ramit, you coming in this meetup, I think that is a special occasion for us as well.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. So everybody, see, it's a wonderful answer and wonderful thing. But yeah, that's the question I wanted you to think about. Ramit has actually gone very spiritual that he always does, and I'm really glad that he's with us. Okay. And my second question is this: are you ready for the second question?
Yes.
Okay. Who is this guy? Harsh, you can answer this.
Sudarshan Patnaik,
Yeah. Oh, he got it right actually.
the famous sand artist.
He's preparing for IAS, by the way, IFS. So I am sure that he is looking at all these things as well. So by the way, as we said, the first question is not only about the sunny day and we are live and we are enjoying. That is always being a very special, and having you guys and you being part of this virtual meetup 5 and we connecting over the virtual world makes us special. But obviously tributes to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel on his 145th birth anniversary. This is created by this very guy, Sudarshan Patnaik. Okay, he is basically a sand artist and is a Padma Shri awardee, and that's what I wanted to tell. A big applaud. He does it. Okay, so there are so many guys who we should be very proud of. Sudarshan Patnaik is one of them. Okay. Obviously, another thing is that Indira Gandhi died 36 years ago, so it's her death anniversary. We would like to pay small tribute and humble homage to her. And there is somebody said Valmiki Jayanti, yeah, a tribute to the author of epic Ramayana and obviously Maharishi Valmiki. We really want to pay tributes to him. And there's another thing. There's something that happens in the Western world called Halloween. How many of you know what is Halloween? Anybody?
Yeah, actually, in US, this is celebrated as part of holiday season. This is Tarun.
Yeah.
So, like lot of new faces of the ghosts and all. People celebrate with pumpkins and all faces, different expressions. I don't know what that signifies, but how that's how they celebrated.
Right, right. It's we only knew that it is a long weekend, but yeah, you're right. It is all about trick and treats. A lot of children actually go out and have little tricks being played. A lot of basically people wear those enchanted stuff, and yeah, this is basically another one of those celebration event that is happening. So again, as what Ramit said, it's a special day. Welcome you guys all. I'll make little small
One more
introduction.
thing,
Yeah, go ahead.
it's like yesterday was Sarad Purnima. So according to Hindu mythology, starting of the Sarad Ritu from today
Thank you,
means
Abhay. You
the
have that deep
yeah
voice. I think you should also be performing in our virtual Diwali and you should say a poetry there, Abhay.
yeah sure.
Yeah, great. Yeah, so Abhay is right. Sharad Purnima, how can I forget that? I just had that Sharad Purnima kheer. I don't know how many of you guys prepare kheer on the Purnima night. It is kept in the moonlight. Obviously, in Mumbai, I was more worried about the pollution seeping in into the kheer than the moonlight, but that's a different thing. Okay, but yeah, very true. The Sharad season and the winter season starts from today. Thank you so much, Abhay. All right, so quickly, I will not take 2 more minutes. I'll just talk about ATA. ATA has grown just because of the community that we are all together. We are present in around 24 countries, and obviously, we want to grow this further with all your help. Okay. And our promise is to make sure that we collaborate and create self-evolving communities. We want to grow agile testing, DevOps, and other new age technology stuff like DevOps, machine learning, big data, IoT, and blockchain. We did a blockchain summit as well. We did a DevOps summit as well. So we are trying to do in other technology areas as well. And we want to make sure that we are differentiating ourselves by doing practical assessments for certification programs. No other body does that. Okay, ATA certification programs are the ones which have a practical assessment, and that makes it really wonderful. I would say if somebody is in Selenium and they want to clear CPSAT, one of the toughest exam, by the way. So if you're not worried about uh, basically clearing the exam, go for it. It's a tough exam. I would say that everybody should give it a try if you are in Selenium and DevOps also and web services as well. Okay. Quick announcements. We are celebrating Diwali virtually this year. 10th of November. It is from. It's a 1 hour event, and we would like everybody to perform. Ramit, are you still there?
Yes, sir, I am.
So, Ramit, would you like to basically do a small stand up for us on that night?
I don't know, sir. Nothing is prepared right now. I will see if I can. I will
Okay.
let you know.
Sure,
Ramit said you do not need a special preparation.
yeah. So we would love to
So,
have you there, Ramit,
but
please, if you can. Okay.
yes, I will.
So
Make sure
Masa
that
is doing a poetry. There are a lot of speakers there from GTR. I would request if you guys can be there. All right. So if you guys can be on mute, I think there is some echo I can hear. Okay. All right. So the next announcement is all about GTR. The conference has really shaped up well. As I said, that if you guys tweet today with ATA Virtual Meetup 5, the most number of tweets wins pass to ATA GTR 2020. It has got 2 days, 3 parallel tracks, 60 speakers, a huge number of interactive sessions, lightning talks, and labs. I think we are probably one of the only conferences in the testing domain which probably has live labs. That should be one of the biggest reasons for you guys to go for this kind of a conference. Okay. With that.